It's trying to rain. A lot of noise. Yes, a lot of noise. Daddy, yo. Ooh, lightning right there. Ooh, that was nice. The tree in the corner, like green one, used to be yellow. Now it's starting to green up again because I started watering it, and so I'm really glad that it's starting to rain. I just hope it rained real hard. I've been watering that down at the name is Sentinel. And that tree, you call it Sentinel. Starting to lighten up. Come on, don't lighten up, darken up. I want it to rain. Let me get out from this chair here. Ouch, ouch. What was that? See if I can get something. It's not raining. Whoa. I need it to rain hard on that right there. So come on, bring that rain. Let's go. If it doesn't rain enough, I'm gonna have to use that hose right there. I'm trying to give it a break. Oops, like that. Oh, no rain. Go out on the grass. It's all light that way, look. But underneath, pretty dark. Oh, wind is picking up. Oh, all right, that's what I'm talking about. Yo, got to go. Friendly neighborhood LMan to you. Peace. Whoa, get under here real quick. Yeah, bring it. That's what I'm talking about. That's right, get that nice and wet. Whoa. Oh, about to be out. I think I better roll my umbrella down before it fly away. It's getting windy. Lost a few of them already. Oh, check out the patio. And that barrel right there, I filled it up too much with dirt. It's full of dirt. Oh, man. And it's full of dirt and I'm hurt. And I got to take it down the hill sometime next week. Come on, keep raining. Oh, man, the swing. Getting wet. Crap. Now I got to move them. I got to move those pads. Man, Lord, that's going to be it for me. This is the next project here, this grass right here. I dug this up. Now I'm going to work on this side over here. I'm going to just